Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Before going to start a lecture, I would like to introduce myself. I am Khala Anwar, student of Sakhar IBA University and currently studying in 5th semester. And my areas of specialization are science subjects, biology and chemistry. And today we are going to start basic elementary science course in which we will cover all basic and simple topics of science. So our today's topic is science and branches of science. So let's start with what is science. Science is derived from a Latin word which means study of nature. Science is the study of nature and behavior of natural things and the knowledge that we obtain them, or we can say that knowledge that is gained from experiment and observation is also called science. There are multiple phenomena occur every day around us, and the answer to those phenomena can only be given by science. For example, here I am encoding an example that when we drop something from height, it goes down due to gravitational force of earth. So answer to that is given by science. And in another example, that we observe leaves of plants are in green colors because of pigment which is called as chlorophyll, and we know these all things with the help of science. So branches of science. Science is divided into two main branches, natural science and social science. In natural science, we study more about natural phenomena in detail. In social science, we are going to study about individual and society and how individual affect on society. So here are some branches of science. Science is divided into physical science, mathematical science, earth science, social science, life science. So physical science is the study about non-living things, and it is further divided into chemistry and physics. And life science is divided into biology, and biology is further divided into botany and zoology. And social science is divided into economics, sociology, psychology and geography and so on. So chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of natural science dealing with the composition of substance and their properties and reaction. Branches include nuclear chemistry, biochemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. For example, in periodic table there are so many elements which is arranged in periods and groups, and the study of the element and their composition and reactions comes under the umbrella of chemistry. For example, sodium is an element and chlorine is an element. We study the properties of both these two different elements with the help of chemistry and their reactions too. So chemistry is known as the central science. It is related to other science. It is related to bio, it is related to physics, it is related to math and social sciences also. It means it is very important branch of science. So here's in physics, the science of matter and energy, their interaction and changes. It includes acoustics, optics, mechanics and electromagnetism. As we know that matter is anything that occupies space and having a mass is called matter, and the conversion of matter into energy and energy into matter comes under the umbrella of physics. So mathematical science. Science dealing with the logic of quantity and shape and arrangement, including areas are calculus, algebra, geometry. This comes in mathematical science. So social science, study of human society past and present is called social science, or we can say study of human behavior and society in simple words. So social science is further divided into branches: economics, sociology, psychology, geography. In economic, we study about production, distribution, consumption of goods and services. And in sociology, we study about the society and peoples. In psychology, we study about minds and behaviors of people. And in geography, we study different part of world, including their culture, weather and different things. These are the branches of social sciences. There are also many branches of other social sciences. These are main. And biology. Biology is the branch of science, and in which studies life and living organism, including their structures, function, growth, origin, evolution, and distribution. And they are two main branches of biology: zoology and botany. In zoology, we particularly study about the study of animals, and in botany, we study about plants. These are the two main branches of biology. So it is all about today's lecture, in which we study the science and the branches of science. Hope you will understand. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.